Recently, Xumanii has been the spitting image of volatility. For the last month, we've seen from 100% gains to 30% drops on almost a daily basis. To make the swings even wider, 5 uncompensated emails surfaced on July 28th and 29th, bringing the dollar volumes up several times. Does the company deserve all this attention? Before we dig deeper, let's start with Xumanii's fundamentals. For the 3 months ending April 30th this year, the company had $400,000 in cash from a total of $790 in current assets and $2.6 million in current liabilities. Those were coupled with $0 in revenues and a net loss of $1 million. Those are some unpromising financials. The company launched its cloud service months ago and it supposedly has 30,000 users, but it hasn't generated any revenues at all. A TV commercial for the same cloud service aired a few days ago, which may potentially bring some funds for Xumanii in the future. Something else to have in mind is this. On July 11th, the company announced that its Android tablet was finally ready to purchase on Amazon. But unfortunately, not only the production run consisted of a very small number, but it seems the product has generated almost no interest. There are 9 tablets left in stock, with no official announcements for a second run, and as far as we kept an eye on the product, a 10 left sign stood for a few days before registering 1 sale. Having just 10 tablets speaks a lot for itself, and this whole lack of interest in the company puts to question another thing. This 8K states that Xumanii, also known as Emergent, acquired Rocky Mountain Tracking, a GPS tracking provider, for the total sum of $3.1 million. If Xumanii makes almost no sales, how would they pay all that money? Well, I believe investors won't like the answer. The payment's going to consist of cash, a convertible note, and some preferred stock. What's in front of you is a complete table with convertible notes that, according to the last report, the company currently has. And there's a big load of them. At this point, the acquisition of Rocky Mount is just a drop in the bucket. We counted a total of 22 deals. They operate the following way. They get a discount on the current market price when they're converted, and many of them have a discount between 40 to 50%. So if the market price is, say, 10 cents, they can create shares for 5 cents and sell them immediately. This is at least partially responsible for the massive dilution Xumanii has gone through the last months. The company went from 320 million shares of common stock to 580 million between the middle of March and the middle of June. And there's one final red flag. The CEO of the company, Mr. Adam Radley, recently bought 180 million shares priced at 0.0006 each. Now, you should all remember Xumanii's a pink sheet, so it's not exactly regulated. If Mr. Radley decides to even sell a portion of those shares, it may send the already volatile stock down the charts fast. This is Martin Nadenov for Hotstock.com.
I have a small amount of money to invest and I want to gamble in the market. I'm looking for a penny stock that'll go up and turn it into $100,000 or $1 million.